Welcome to another episode of Pure Bliss and Balance, a place where you and your family can learn tips and tricks to help you live your most resilient and happy life. I'm your host, Jennifer, and today we're going to talk about simple tips on how to use color into our day and into our lifestyle to help increase our overall health and well-being. So today we're talking about color psychology and some basic tips that we can use to enhance our overall health and well-being by adding some color into our day and into our lifestyle. So one of the strategies that you can consider is to add color for your clothing or attire for the day. There are studies that have been done that show that bright, deep colors, vibrant colors such as red and orange, hot pinks, and so on, can help energize you psychologically and help you feel more alive, if you will. So you can add those colors into your attire. However, if you're not that person that wants to have a lot of color into your clothing, you're not comfortable with that, you can still add those colors by subtle effect. And what I mean by that is, as you can see on my hat, I've got color on my hat to help energize my attire and help me feel better throughout my day. So that's another alternative for those of you out there who might not wish to go all out on the bright colors. So one of those ways is to enhance the color of your clothing to help you feel more energetic and alive. There's studies out there that actually show that if we wear those bright colors, it can actually help others perceive us as more youthful and energetic as well. So, for those people out there that want to feel a little younger, consider using brighter colors. It helps you feel youthful, alive, and helps others perceive you that way as well. Keep that in mind. Another tip is to consider incorporating colors that you enjoy into the environment that you find yourself in throughout the day. So, for instance, a lot of us are working from home due to these unprecedented times. And one of the ways we can enhance that joy in our life and keep stress at bay is to consider adding some color in our environment, such as the color that you see behind me. Colors that are soothing include calming colors, gentle, lighter colors, perhaps blues and turquoises, for instance, as the example that you see, which can help mitigate stress and anxiety and just give you that comforting, calming effect. So that's another way to incorporate color. If you don't want to have a whole wall covered in these hues, you can have subtle hints again, just as I mentioned in the clothing. You can include those subtle hints throughout the environment you're in as well. Perhaps have a vase full of beautiful colored flowers, for instance, that you enjoy. That could be lighter colors for calming, or if you need more energy, and include vibrant colored flowers like reds and oranges, and even hot pink colors can help stimulate your energy and help you feel more alive and joyful. There's something really magical about bringing the outdoors in and enhancing it with color. So, by adding those fresh cut flowers that have these beautiful natural hues, it can go a long way to adding that color, but also adding the element of natural energy into your day. So, consider that as well. Tip number three, consider using color as a way to enhance your overall well being by being really mindful of how you're feeling. There are studies out there that indicate that bright colors, as we've mentioned before, such as hot pinks, reds, and oranges, can help energize you. So if you find yourself fatigued throughout your day, tired, having lack of energy, consider having those bright colors around during those peak times where you might feel excessively tired or feeling that lull where you need a little pick me up. And you'll find by adding those colored elements around you, whether it's through objects or fresh cut flowers, it'll help give you that little extra pep in your step, if you will. Whereas, if you happen to find yourself struggling with sleep, then you might want to go on the opposite spectrum and consider having lighter, more calming colors, such as light blues, light turquoises, and greens, and so on, to help support you feel calmer. As I'm demonstrating behind me, that's a good example about how to incorporate similar colors to help you have less stress and anxiety. There are studies out there that have been done that indicate that various colors can actually be associated to how you perceive the taste of food. So these studies indicate that there's a strong correlation with color and our taste. To go even further with that, there's strong research that indicates that color can actually stimulate our appetite. So you can actually use vibrant colors, energetic colors like oranges and reds to help. So another interesting fun fact that we can use to help stimulate our appetite if we're finding that we need to do that. In some cases, we do. So there you have it. 3 tips to help you add some color into your day and have a little bit more vibrancy or calm, depending on what you're looking for. So if you liked our tips and tricks today and you want to learn some more, please make sure to subscribe to our channel below and click on that like button, because we look forward to helping you and your family have a more resilient and happy life. Look forward to seeing you again real soon. Until then, take care. Bye for now.